Hi, my name is Marty DuBois, and I teach engineering technology at Monroe County Community College in Monroe, Michigan. Today I'd like to talk to you about our nuclear engineering technology program. First of all, I'd like to make the distinction that engineering technology is different from nuclear engineering. Nuclear engineering is designed to produce nuclear engineers, while our students go on to become engineering technicians. In particular, our students are training to work in a nuclear power plant. There are two nuclear power plants near Monroe County Community College. First, there's the DTE Energy Fermi 2 generating station, and across the lake in Port Clinton, Ohio, there is the Davis-Besse Power Generating Station. Both of these plants are partners in our program. They provide assistance, they provide adjunct instructors, they hire our students as interns during the summer, and they had a great contribution to putting together the curriculum along with the rest of the nuclear industry. So before we get going, I'd like to actually talk a little bit about how nuclear power is generated in a nuclear power plant. Everything begins with the nuclear reactor. The reactor contains fuel rods and control rods and has water flowing through it that produces steam bubbles. These steam bubbles are piped out to a power generating turbine, and that turbine is connected to a generator. The generator produces electricity at 22,000 volts. That voltage is stepped up through a transformer and sent out to the power grid where it's delivered to your home. The steam that comes off of the turbine is sent into a condenser which cools down the steam, turns it back into water, and it's pumped back into the bottom of the nuclear reactor. There's a pond with cooling water in it, and that cooling water is pumped through pipes inside the condenser which then is returned to the top of the cooling tower and then back into the cooling pond. If you look at this diagram, you'll see there are dozens and dozens of places where mechanical pumps, valves, seals, bearings, all need to be serviced and all need to be taken care of, replaced, maintained, observed for vibration, checked for leaks, and this is what goes on in a nuclear power plant. That's what nuclear power employees do, along with the additional people who actually verify that the plant is safe to work in. Those are people in radiation protection. To conclude, I'd like to show you a picture of 4 of our nuclear engineering technology students who are undergoing training at Fermi 2. They're learning how to take care of a valve. And I'd just like to point out the size of the wrench that Jessica is holding, and point out that we have females in the program just as well as males, and everybody does the same work. So I'd like to thank DTE for giving us the opportunity to participate in this seminar. And if you want further information, look us up online at monroeccc.edu, and you can go to the program's Nuclear Engineering Technology to find out more information. Thank you very much.